Hey everybody, we are here at 62250 305th Street, just outside of Maxwell. Located just off of Highway 210, it has close interstate access. This home is absolutely gorgeous. If you check out all of the great woodwork throughout this house, it has tons of great original woodwork, wood floors, has tons of space. This one has over 3,000 square feet of space above ground with a finished basement. This one has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, sits on over 2.5 acres of land with an outbuilding that's partially finished, and that can be used for livable space or a place to hang out, office out of, or have a great gym in. Around here you have a nice creek that runs around the property. Nobody else around you on this property. It's a great seclusion, but close to lots of things, like it's just a few minutes away from Center Grove Orchard, which is great. Once again, easy interstate access and accessible to Ames, Des Moines, Ankeny, and anywhere you need to be. This one will not last long, so if you'd love to get in and check it out, definitely give us a call or shoot us a DM, and we'd love to get you in here today.